Types of noun. Today we will learn about common noun and proper noun. But before we start, we should know what is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. We can say noun is the naming word. Name of anything is called noun. Now we will learn about what is common noun. A common noun is the general name of a person, place, animal or thing. It is not a special name. Look at this example. Here we have girl, teacher, city, school, dog, cat, book, car, zoo. All of these are the example of common noun because they are not confined to a single person, place, thing or animal, and they are not special or specific, and they are also not particular, so they are common noun. Now look at this picture. Here we have zoo, boy, soldier and park. They are also the example of common noun. Now we have some sentences. The girl is reading. Here girl is a common noun because girl can be anyone. The dog is barking. Here dog is common noun. I go to school every day. Here school is a common name of a place, so we can say school is a common noun. My father drives a car. Here father and car are common noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the special name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. It is a special name, so it always begins with the capital letter. The first letter of a proper noun is always capital because it is a particular name. Look at this example. Here is Pakistan, Lahore, Monday, January, Family Park, Jinnah Hospital, Zara, Eid al-Fitr. All of these are special and specific name, so they are proper noun. Look at the first letter of these words. The first letter is always capital in a proper noun. So here we have capital letter. As Pakistan is a special name of a place, Monday is a special name of a day. Similarly, all of them are special. Look here, we have Holy Quran, Badshai Mosque and Qaid-e-Azam. They are also proper noun. Look at these sentences. Sarah is reading a book. Sarah is a specific name of a girl, so it's a proper noun. Ali is my friend. I live in London. London is a special name of a city, so it is proper noun. We visited Islamabad. Islamabad is also a particular name of a place, so it is also proper noun. Here we have some common noun and their proper noun. First of all is man. Man is common noun and its proper noun is John, Ali, Ahmed, etc. Day is a common noun and its proper noun may be Thursday, Friday or Saturday. Month is a common noun and its proper noun is July. Park is a common noun and its proper noun is Fun Park, Family Park, Lahore Park, etc. When we have a specific name, it is proper noun, and when we have non-specific name or general name, it is a common noun. So we can say common noun is a general name and proper noun is a special name. If we repeat our lesson, today we learned a common noun is a general name and a proper noun is a special name. A proper noun always begins with the capital letter. That's all for today. Hope so you will enjoy the lesson. If you like it, then share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.